Traders, we're looking at the Australian dollar paired with the US dollar, the Aussie dollar on the daily chart. So I'm looking at this from a break of market structure, bullish break of structure perspective. Okay, so we've got this bullish trend, we've broken out, and we're currently testing this previous daily high on the daily time frame. So we're going to go down to the 4H, but before we do, we're just quickly going to go out to the weekly and get a higher time frame perspective. So weekly, we have this level above here. It's pushed through it. My next target would be probably the base of this bearish, this distribution level here, distribution range. That would be a target, and the next target would be the highs of these candle wicks. A couple of targets. If this continues bullish, then these highs over here would be the ultimate, my ultimate target. Let's just see how we go. We'll come back to let's say a 4-hour chart, and I don't mind this price action at the moment. We've had quite a deep pullback. You want to watch this, guys. This has been happening a fair bit of late. Okay, we're seeing these really nice trends set up. You get in on the pullback, the Fibonacci 50% retrace, or 61.8. We're finding that the algos are quite frequently taking out stops under previous lows. So every now and again you're going to get a fairly deep pullback, as you can see here. And this one as well, it sets up these really nice trends, and you jump in long, stop loss under the previous low, something like that. I mean, where would your stop be with that one? But you'll find that every now and again it's going to bite down, looking for stops resting under these levels here, right? So don't be surprised that was quite a nice move. Bit of a retrace, okay. Expansion, retrace, buy, expansion, retrace, buy. But that could be a thing, right? So you just want to be a little bit careful. Now I'm bullish the Aussie dollar. There's a breakout occurring here. We've had this low high retrace, and a ABCD measured move would be that. So I mean, you could get involved long at the current level going with this breakout, or you could wait for a pullback. Whatever the case, I would be looking to definitely set a fairly wide stop. And we've got these previous levels. Okay, so there's a 2.15R with a stop under here, right? But just be aware that this could very well look to hunt stops under here, as it has been. Have a look at any chart in a trend, and you're going to see this kind of aggressive price action fairly regularly. All right, high, low, retrace, sell. Okay, high, low, retrace, sell. Right, that's a sell. Where's your stop loss? Well, those with a tight stop above here got taken out. If you're going with if you're pulling your high-low retrace as such, sell, stop loss above the previous, but you just want to be a little bit careful. See this imbalance, this thin candle? Look out for that as well, and know that these could be a target, like this one here. Okay, this is an imbalance, a bullish imbalance. It's one-sided trading. The market will look to rebalance. So that's the imbalance. It's come back through the imbalance, and again here, down 50% of this range through this bullish imbalance. All right, so just keep an eye out for these gaps, and understand that. Well, look, here's a all right, here we go, bullish imbalance right here. Right, so what do you want to do with your stop loss? That could be a target. Just understand the risk. I think you don't want to have ridiculous stops, but they're going to have to be wide enough to handle volatility, and at the same time, you want to get a bit of a risk reward outcome that's favorable. Either that, or you trade it on a daily time frame, and look to avoid these pullbacks. Okay, so if I'm trading this on the daily, then it's pretty wide, but you're going to go for, that's a 2R target there. See, something like that on the daily time frame could work. Actually, it's a pretty wide stop. We've got the previous daily low here, and prior to that, all right, these under here. If I'm trading this on the daily time frame, I'd probably set up a limit buy, something like that, and go for 2.24R, Or you could, trade it on the lower time frame with a shallow pullback, but understand the risk. Well, you could place your stop loss under this imbalance. So if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, that would work. Right, that's not a bad idea. Gives you a little bit more breathing space, and then you could go for this target. We're looking at 3.4R. What's this one? That's a 1.92R. I don't mind that, guys. So look, that's an idea. Just be careful. Trade with consistency, but keep your risk fairly consistent and conservative. That's what I tend to do. So that's my take on the Aussie dollar at the moment. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.